Hi, this is Divesh Kumar Matikiri, and I'm doing 554 online class, and my main project is lighting designing. And today I want to give a simple definition of the lighting. Lighting or the illumination is the deliberate use of light to achieve a particular effect. Lighting includes the use of both artificial light sources like lamps and light fixtures, as well as natural illustration by capturing daylight. Daylight windows sky lights is sometimes used as the main source of light during daytime in buildings. And the first light was introduced in the 1819. Light equipment was introduced in 1819. That is, the candle was done in British. After that, the oil lamps were introduced in London. Then in 19th, the electrical bulb was introduced and is plays a key role in this. And coming to the light, it is having categories of three: ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. Coming to task lighting, often task lighting refer to increasing illumination to better accomplish a specific activity. However, this level is not the only the factor governing visibility. Contrast is also important, and the poorly light resources may cause contract reduction resulting in loss of visibility. Therefore, it can be argued that the most important purpose of task lighting in the office is not increasing illuminance but improving the contrast, because the task lighting provides focused light where needed. General lighting can be reduced. And coming to the accent lighting, the focus lights of particular area of object. It is often used to highlight art or other articles. Common type of accent lighting includes all floodlights, rescue lights, turkey lamps, and track lighting. The brighter lights from the accent lamp creates visual interest to a room. Accent lights may also be used to shine lights on a stairway. Coming to the ambient light, it is used for to reduce the shadows in the room. So by using the wall lighting and wall high wall lighting and also the middle ways. And there is the two types of lightings are there. There is a high level efficiency and a low level efficiency. At present we are using the high level efficiency. In this we are using the LED lights for the all types of lights in the residential buildings, offices, and other. And here, by using the LED lights, it is really less power consumption, and also we can do it is, and also the LED lights are really cheap. And coming to the low efficiency lighting, it is in this we are having the sensors and controllers which use it to operate the lightings, like motion sensors and automatic sensors and some other sensors. Coming to the automatic sensors, if the people are here uh, in the room, if they are going to be within 1 hour, they used to keep time and they used to go from their place, and they automatically the lights will off. And coming to the motion sensors, if the if any object or a person is moving in that room, the lights is automatically off, and it will wait for 5 minutes. If the motion is not available in room, the automatically the uh, lights will be off. And also now we can see the visible sensors are now playing a key role. And these visible sensors, if the light, if we are not if the daylight is present, if it is like dim or anything, the lights will automatically on according to the dim, and it produces sufficient light from that visible sensor. After that, while when we are doing uh, sensor. Yes, in 2002, New York takes a new rule. The every construction had to be filled. The DDC lighting. The main theme of this program is energy efficiency lighting design strategy. It means has to reach all the standard of lighting quality, and the lighting qualities mainly includes the glare control, color rendering, shadow and flicker, visual comfort, lighting of walls and ceiling, uniform distribution, and the absence of harsh pattern. To reach the successful lighting design, it must reach both quality and quantity of light must be balanced. All these lighting designs are vary from place to place, like office, adult detention, workshop, stairs, building exterior, toilets, workshop, and corridors, warehouses, and level. As we constructed the buildings, we had to look after the windows. Uh, Windows have to be a big one, and doors have to be large to enter the daylight. And the buildings have to be constructed in the south and north side to get enter into the daylight. And the ceilings have to be very high because the light can be produce it light more, and the efficiency of the light is really good. And coming to the roadside lights, now we are seeing the new technology has been ruling, that is the lights having the cap on the cap before the light. It is because if the cap is there means it will not spread light unnecessary areas. The place where it want, the light will go exactly on that spot, and the we can use less lights for that. uh, Coming to my opinion, this is a really a good topic because the now the world is really facing a good power consumption. And to reduce this one, the lighting designing had to be introduced, and the government have to take a good rules to do this one. And for this, lightning controls and sensors have to be maintained correctly to do. And in coming to the this one, if any replacements have to be there, the cost is really low because the sensors and the controllers only go wrong. Otherwise the lights have to be changed. Here we are using the LED lights, so the LED is really cheap, and we can change the lights as per we want. Mm, and I really thankful to the downloader uh, for giving this opportunity to teach, to give some information about the lighting designing and research on lighting design. Thank you, friends.